Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 26th September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 120 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. In India, Heifa Day is observed every year on. Answer is 23rd September. The Indian Army commemorates 23rd September every year as Heifa Day to honor the martyrs of the Battle of Heifa. Indian soldiers who were part of World War I in 1918 from the British Indian Army fought the Battle of Heifa. The battle was a decisive victory for the Indian soldiers who defeated the Ottoman Empire and their German allies. Question number 2. World Bollywood Day is observed every year on. Answer is 24th September. World Bollywood Day, observed annually on 24th September, stands as a testament to the rich heritage and global influence of Indian cinema. The first full-length Indian feature film, Raja Harishchandra, was released in 1913, marking the birth of Indian cinema, whereas Kisan Kanya was the first Hindi cine-color feature film, released in 1937. Initially, Bollywood referred to the Hindi culture, art, and film industry from Bombay. Question number 3. World Environmental Health Day is observed every year on. Answer is 26th September. The World Environmental Health Day is observed every year on 26th September with an aim to increase awareness about the protection of our environment. The theme for 2024 World Environmental Health Day is Healthy Environments for a Healthy Future. According to the WHO, 24% of global deaths are linked to the environment, which is roughly 13.7 million deaths a year. Question number 4. World Contraception Day is observed every year on. Answer is 26th September. World Contraception Day is celebrated on 26th September every year all around the world. The theme of World Contraception Day 2024 is A Choice for All, Freedom to Plan, Power to Choose. The day, World Contraception Day, was started in the year 2007. On this day in 2007, 10 worldwide family planning agencies across the world declared that the use of contraception. Question number 5. What is India's rank in the Asian Power Index Report 2024? Answer is 3rd. According to the Asian Power Index Report 2024, released recently by the Australian think tank Lowy Institute, India is ranked 3rd most powerful country in Asia after the United States of America and China. The United States of America and China were the only two countries deemed superpowers in Asia, while India was ranked as a middle power. Last year, India was ranked the 4th most powerful country in Asia in the 2023 report, but this year, India overtook Japan to be ranked 3rd. Question number 6. World's first multi-material chip fabrication unit will be set up in. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. India and United States will jointly set up the world's first multi-material chip fabrication unit in India. The new fabrication unit, which will be called Shakti, will be set up in Jewar, Uttar Pradesh, and it will be situated next to the under-construction Jewar International Airport. The plant will be supported by the US Space Force, the semiconductor mission of the Indian government, and the Indian chip manufacturing companies Bharat Semiconductors and 3AD Tech. Question number 7. Which state government plans to discontinue its iconic tram service? Answer is West Bengal. The West Bengal government plans to discontinue the iconic tram service in Kolkata, except for a few stretches, announced by the West Bengal Transport Minister, Snehashish Chakraborty, on 25 September 2024. The minister said that service on the Medan, Esplanade, and Khidirpur stretch will continue but will be more of a heritage service. Kolkata was the only city in India with an operational tram network. Question number 8. Mrs. Harini Amrasuriya was sworn in as the 16th Prime Minister of. Answer is Sri Lanka. Mrs. Harini Amrasuriya, who graduated from Hindu College, Delhi University, was sworn in as the new Prime Minister of Sri Lanka by President Anura Kumara Dissanayake on 24 September 2024. President Anura Kumara Dissanayake was sworn in as the 9th President of Sri Lanka on 22 September. Mrs. Harini Amrasuriya succeeds Dinesh Gunawardena, who resigned after the previous president, Ranil Wickremesinghe, lost the presidential election. Question number 9. Who has won the main singles title of the 2024 Hangzhou Open Tennis Championships? Answer is Marin Cilic. The Hangzhou Open Tennis Championship was held in Hangzhou, China, from 18 to 24 September 2024. Marin Cilic of Croatia, the 2014 US Open champion, won the main singles titles. He defeated the local Chinese player Zheng Zhizhe. The Indian pair of Jeevan Neduchezhia and Vijay Sundar Prashant won their first ATP title by winning the 2024 Hangzhou Open Tennis Championships doubles event. Question number 10. Who will launch India's first domestic chips by 2026? Answer is TCS. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, is collaborating with Tata Electronics Private Limited, TEPL, to launch India's first domestically produced semiconductor chips by 2026. Tata Electronics is working on two major projects. First project is an $11 billion greenfield chip manufacturing plant in Dholera, Gujarat, in partnership with Taiwan, with a production capacity of 50,000 wafers per month. And second project, an $3.26 billion facility in Assam, focused on chip assembly and testing, expected to have its first chips ready by late 2025 or early 2026. Question number 11. In which country a new COVID-19 variant XCC has been discovered? Answer is Germany. The XCC variant discovered in Germany is a recombinant of KS.1.1 and KP.3.3. It has mutations that help it spread the infection faster. Since its discovery, XCC has spread to 27 countries with more than 600 cases reported. The highest number of cases are in Germany with 13%, followed by the UK with 7% and the US less than 5%. Question number 12. Who has topped the list of atrocities against Dalits recently? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has topped the list of states with the highest number of atrocities against Dalits in India, according to the National Crime Records Bureau's 2022 report, Crime in India. In 2022, out of 51,656 cases registered under the POI Act, Uttar Pradesh reported 12,287 cases, accounting for 23.78%. Following this, Rajasthan reported second highest atrocities cases of Dalits with 8,651 cases, with 16.75%, while Madhya Pradesh had 7,732 cases, making up 14.97%. Question number 13. Who was officially recognized by Guinness World Records as the most prolific actor-dancer? Answer is Chiranjeevi. Megastar Chiranjeevi Konidale has been officially recognized by Guinness World Records as the most prolific actor-dancer in the Indian film industry. Over 45 years, he has performed an astonishing 24,000 dance moves in 537 songs across 156 films. This honor was conferred on 20th September 2024 during a special event. Question number 14. Which airport will be renamed as Jagatguru Sant Tukaram Maharaj Airport? Answer is Pune Airport. The Maharashtra government has decided to rename Pune Airport to Jagatguru Sant Tukaram Maharaj International Airport, Chief Minister Eknath Shinde informed on 23 September 2024. Sant Tukaram Maharaj, also known as Tuka, Tukobraya, Tukoba, was a Hindu, Marathi saint of Varkari Sampradaya in Dehu village, Maharashtra, in the 17th century. He was born in Pune district. Question number 15. Which new airline has been approved by the Aviation Ministry in India? Answer is Shankh Air. India's new airline, Shankh Air, has recently received approval from the Aviation Ministry. It is the first scheduled airline in Uttar Pradesh. Shankh Air will be based at Noida International Airport, NIA, in Jewar and plans to connect major metro cities in India from Lucknow and Noida. The airline will begin its services with 3 Boeing 737-800NG aircraft. Currently, Indigo is the largest airline in India, holding over 60% of the market share. Question number 16. Which country's astronauts Oleg Kononenko and Nikolai Chubb have set a new record for the longest stay on the International Space Station, ISS? Answer is Russia. Russian cosmonauts Oleg Kononenko and Nikolai Chubb have set a new record for the longest stay on the International Space Station, ISS, by staying for 374 days. They surpassed the previous record of 370 days set by cosmonauts Sergei Prokopyev, Dmitry Petelin, and NASA astronaut Francisco Rubio. Oleg Kononenko also now holds the record for the longest cumulative time in space at 1,111 days in orbit. Question number 17. KVS Manian became the new managing director and CEO of which bank? Answer is Federal Bank. KVS Manian has officially taken charge as the managing director and CEO of Federal Bank, effective 23 September 2024. He succeeds Shyam Srinivasan, who retired after successfully leading the bank since 2010. Federal Bank Limited is an Indian private sector bank headquartered in Aluva, Kerala. The bank has 1,504 plus banking outlets and 2,015 plus ATMs CDMS spread across different states in India and overseas representative offices at Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Question number 18. Where did Prime Minister Modi address the Summit of the Future recently? Answer is New York. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the Summit of the Future on the night of 23 September. It was organized at New York. The theme of this summit was Multilateral Solutions for a Better Tomorrow. Question number 19. Tata Steel has commissioned India's largest blast furnace in which state? Answer is Odisha. Tata Steel has successfully commissioned India's largest blast furnace at its Kalinganagar facility in Odisha, marking a significant milestone for the steel sector. Tata Steel has invested a total of 27 million rupees, $3.23 billion, in the second phase of expansion in Odisha, which will increase the total capacity of the steel mill from 3 million tons of steel per year to 8 million tons per year. Over the last decade, Odisha has become the largest investment destination for Tata Steel, with a cumulative investment exceeding 100,000 crore rupees. Question number 20. Where has a world record recently created by planting more than 5 lakh saplings in an hour? Answer is Jaisalmer. Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Bhupender Yadav, on 23 September 2024, congratulated 128th Infantry Battalion and Ecological Task Force of Territorial Army for registering a world record of planting over 5 lakh saplings in 1 hour. 128th Infantry Battalion and the Ecological Task Force of the Territorial Army set a world record by planting over 5 lakh saplings in just 1 hour at Jaisalmer in Rajasthan on 22nd September. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.